Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing your HP laptop and Excel. This avoids corruption. First, save all open work to OneDrive or a local folder because updates can force restarts. Next, plug into AC power so the laptop won't shut down mid-update, and make sure Windows Update shows available Office or Excel updates. Once done, close Excel and other Office apps. This ensures files aren't locked, and the updater can replace program files cleanly without error. Now run the actual update process so Excel receives the latest fixes. If you have Office Desktop, open any Office app, go to File Account, then Update Options Update Now. That pushes the latest build. Alternatively, open Microsoft Store Library, get updates if you installed Excel from the store. While updating, monitor progress and avoid interrupting the laptop. Interruptions can leave Office in a broken state. If an error appears, jot the code. It helps target the next fix. To finish, restart your HP laptop so all update changes finalize. This clears locked files and complete service installs. After reboot, open Excel and confirm the version in File Account to ensure the update applied. If Excel fails to open or behaves oddly, run Office Repair from Control Panel Programs Microsoft Office Change Quick Repair, then try Online Repair if needed. And if problems persist, uninstall and reinstall Office, or contact Microsoft support with the error code you noted earlier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.